So how do you do the YouTube Shorts on your iPad using Capcut, right? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. So on your iPad, you open up the Capcut, start a brand new project, and ideally, you should import only vertical videos and photos. Right? The point is that when you import those, the whole project will be in the vertical orientation, which is the shape or size of YouTube Shorts. However, if this doesn't really do anything, or if it's not the case for you, you can be inside of your CapCut project, make sure you don't have any clips selected, and then at the bottom you'll have the aspect ratio button. And you just want to click on the 9:16 option, which is indicated by the TikTok logo, but it's just like for the general short form content, which is of course the YouTube Shorts as well. So you have to be in that orientation to make sure you are doing a proper size for the shorts, and then you of course just import the clips. You can cut them, add effects, add transitions, text, whatever else you need based on your idea. But of course, I'm just trying to cover the technical side of producing the YouTube Shorts. Keep in mind, however, that before you export the finished video, you can also tap on the button next to the export and adjust the export settings. So that would be the resolution, of course, bump it up to as high as you can for better quality. You can also add some other effects in here as well, like optical flow, smart HDR, and other things here as well. So once you do that, you can export your video and it will be in your gallery from where you can upload it to YouTube as usual. So that's like a general blueprint of how it works. If you have some specific questions, let me know about that, and also check out the rest of the CapCut tutorials on my channel. I specifically focus on the iPad, and yeah, I just try to cover every single possible scenario. So yeah, let me know about that below, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.